In this video, I'm going to show you how I made 10,000 Robux in a little over 10 minutes. The cool thing about this is that literally anyone can do this too. Be sure to watch till the end because I'm going to show you guys an even easier method than the one I use in the video. Alright guys, so right here is the DM I had with the guy, and basically he's come to my DM, he's like asking if I take commissions and stuff. So I said, yeah, were you interested? He's like, I need a round system, you know, so I'm just asking him about the round system. And it's not really a normal one where it's like last player standing, it's not like a game like that. It's more of a game where it's like natural disaster survival, so basically all the players are kind of on the same team. And basically we end if there's 0 players or all the players die. And this can be pretty easy to make, so I just accepted the commission, and the guy said, are you down for 10k? So I'm assuming they're pretty big, because they also have other scripters and stuff, so 10k probably not even a lot for them, so yeah, it is a lot for me though, so yeah, that's why I accepted the commission. I also asked him to make a YouTube video on the commission. He said yeah, for sure, and we're just gonna be getting it done within the next hour, so I decided to make a video on it. I also asked him if they're using like looter sets and stuff. We're gonna be awarding the players cash when they win, so yeah. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I just opened a Roblox studio. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a blank base plate. Gonna go ahead and full screen that. Okay, so basically it's gonna be a simple round system. I didn't ask him how many players there are like max in a server, so I'm gonna go ask him that real quick. Alright guys, he just got back to me. I asked how many players there were. He said 15. I said thanks. Alright guys, so we're back in the studio, and all we basically just have to do in here is create a script, and then we do need to create some parts for spawning, so I'm gonna make one and then duplicate it. I'm just gonna make like 1 1 1, and the position can be let's say like, we just need to focus on the Y here. We're gonna make sure that's like 3 actually it doesn't have to be 3.5. What I could do is literally just add in the script. I'll show you guys that later. So we do need 15 spawns, so what I'm thinking is like, we have 3 rows of 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, and they don't even have to be like exact in terms of like close they are to each other, so that's fine. There we go, that's like 15 spawns for all 15 players. There we go. And basically we're just using these spawn points, so I'm gonna make a model and call it spawn points, and I'm just gonna tell him to put this inside all of his maps and inside server storage. This is how people usually do it. If they don't, well, they can configure it easily, so I'll just let them know after. And inside here they'd put all their maps, and then like say they had like one map like this one right here, right there. What they would do is like put spawn points in and like move the map into workspace. And yeah, and one more thing I do need to do is go ahead and make the spawn points like all invisible, can't collide off, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't even need to name them anything really. Alright guys, now we're just gonna be hopping into the script and getting started. I'm gonna name the script round system. One thing I usually do at the top of the scripts is actually alright, probably made by and then my Discord tag aviator7027. Okay, I just have that at the top just so I know it's me and like other people know it's me. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and grab the players. So local players, I just do plrs equals game colon get service players. Once we have that, I can do local replicated storage equals get service replicated storage. In here we have a bindable event, and then we're gonna call this bindable event round end, just like they told me. Basically they already have this in their game, just so like I can use it when I'm scripting here. And let's do local round end equals replicated storage. I should usually do rs for this, so rs wait for child round end, and local let's see, what else do we need? Server storage. Alright guys, so basically this is the top bit of the script, and these are called variables. So basically if I say plrs anywhere in the script, it's gonna give me this. So basically this is players right here, this is the highlighted part, and what I can do with players is a bunch of stuff. So like when a player joins the game, player added, you know, that's what people use to like load your data when you join games. They use that event. So now for the script, let's just create our loop. So while true do, and in here let's go ahead and grab a random map. I'm just gonna use a function for this to make it easier. So local pick random map, and then in here, I forgot to write the main keyword function, and then in here basically we're just gonna return a random map. So I don't have the maps folder, let's go ahead and grab that. So another variable, local maps folder equal server storage colon wait for child maps. Now once we have that, what we can do is go ahead and go to the maps folder and then do local random index equals, I'm pretty sure there's something new called like random dot like new or dot like something on, but like I'm just gonna use math dot random, you know, kind of just what I've always used. So math.random 1, and then the number of maps inside the maps folder, just like that. And then what we could do is like return let's clone the map, so local map equals maps folder, and then let's just wait for child, or not wait for child. What we could do is :get children, and then like in here we could put the random index in. Alright guys, I'm just gonna be voiceovering this part because it is obviously sped up. So right here, as you can see, I'm making the round system label, the text label, and I'm setting it up, making some basic settings on the text. And once it's done, I'm making the script right here. Basically, whenever the status changes, we are going to update the text to say whatever the status says. And inside the server script right here, the main script, I made a function called update status. So whenever I say update status, as you can see I am right now, it's going to change the text on everyone's screen to say need 2 players to start the game. So basically that is how it's going to work. And now what I'm doing here is getting the intermission to work. And once the intermission is working, I think I move on to the random map. There it is. The function we made earlier for picking a random map. Right here I'm teleporting all the players. As you can see, I'm getting the spawn points, and then I'm just getting all the spawns. Yeah, there it is, available spawns. And as you can see, it's just a pretty simple teleporting thing. We just go through all of the spawns, we find a player, and we give the player that spawn point, and then we also make sure that no other players spawn on that spawn point. And then we have another script here just to handle tags, so the second someone dies, it's gonna just TP them back, and it's gonna reload their character, just in case your game has some sort of player respawn time set, and I don't want to override that, so I have that tag system set up. As you can see, death tag, so when you die it's gonna get removed. And we have a check below to make sure that when it's gone, your character is destroyed. Right here it says all players died, restarting the round. I'm adding more update statuses, like picked round, and then the picked map, and then the map name. Right here I'm just organizing some of the code, and let's see what I do next over here. Right, okay, so we have that round end event, and I'm just going to be using that and creating some code for that, just so that the round ends when they want the round to end, and not just when the game time is up or there's 0 players left. You can manually end the round. I'm going to go ahead and save all of the code. Right here, I'm just going to call it round system. Go ahead and make sure that's saved. I probably should have done that first. That's what you guys should do if you guys do commissions, but I didn't, and it's kind of risky. Like if something crashes, you lose everything. So after everything is back, we should be good to go. Go ahead and play, and I'm just going to invite one of my friends to test it out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys once that's done. Alright guys, so I just got done with testing out my friend. I made a quick video, uploaded it. It's private now, so you guys shouldn't really just try to copy the link, but if you want to, you can. So yeah, I sent it to him, he watched it, says he bought it. I sent him all the files like in one RBXM file. Basically, to import this, he just goes to his studio and right-clicks anywhere, and then like clicks insert from file. I guess he already knows that. I mean, I'm assuming they're pretty big, like studio or whatever, because they paid me like 10k for this. Anyways guys, that's how I made 10,000 Robux in 10 minutes. If you want to learn easier ways than Roblox coding, subscribe, because I'm halfway done editing a video about the different types of commissions on Roblox, and which ones are easier than the rest, and which ones pay more than the rest. Now before you click off, take a look at the video on your screen. Yeah, that one. YouTube's AI thinks you're really gonna like that one, so why not check it out? If you don't like it, you can always click off, but if you like it, you'll be doing yourself a favor. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.